Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a quick and easy pulled pork sandwich without having to smoke a pig. What I'm using is this canned pork that came off the bones when I made the bone broth after boiling it down for bone broth from these hogs I shot in Oklahoma a couple weeks ago. And I know that looks weird, right? But let me tell you what, it's so good even kids love this. And it's really as simple as just heating it up. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. You're gonna be blown away. And by the way, if you don't hunt, this is fine. You can actually do the same thing. If you learn how to can, check the link. There should be a link below to the video on how to can meat. You can do this with store-bought meat as well, and you'll just have cans of food ready to go for a quick barbecued sandwich anytime. So I'm gonna get this heated up. This is actually, before I even heat up the meat, I'm just gonna throw some butter in there. I have 2 brioche buns and I guess a gluten-free burger bun here for my wife. And we're just gonna heat those up in butter and make them a light toasty brown. Once those are about halfway done, I'm gonna get the pulled pork going. Pull it off. Make sure you got that nice suction sound that's fresh. Just gonna go ahead and dump that in there. We'll throw some bone broth in there from the same pig. Let that steam and evaporate, and then I'll throw the barbecue sauce. Okay, that's pretty much ready. That's gonna reduce a little bit more so it's not too messy when I put it on there. And then I got the gluten-free, there's the regular brioche, and we're pretty much ready. Okay, number 1. Pile it on there and call that a sandwich. Boom, 1 down. There it is. Let's give it a try. Tastes like it came off the barbecue. 5-minute meal. Anyway, if you like that, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.